I forgot to open myself up today. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome on in, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday. We started early because we're doing mobile extravaganza. We have 4 mobile games in a row: Bomberman for the Nokia, Bomberman for the Engage, Bomberman Puzzle, and Super Bomberman. I want to see if I can get them all knocked out in one day because they're all mobile games. They weren't meant to be long. These were all made for the old flip phones. So let's give it a shot, shall we? Oh, and heads up, this one doesn't play that well. I'm not sure if it was this bad on the original hardware, but in emulation, it's not very happy. Yeah, that was a delayed bomb. Run! Okay. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun with this one. Okay. I did everything I could. This is the best I managed to get it running. And then I had turned down 10 FPS to even get to run this well. And now I don't know why Bomberman has a antenna or a nightstick. I'm not sure what that is. But this was the first Bomberman mobile game. As you can see, it's not great. I did look how many stages it has, and it's only 30, so, you know, at least it won't take us a huge amount of time. Yeah, I hope everybody had a great weekend. I hope everybody enjoyed. If you were in the storm areas, I hope you're safe and got through it fine. Hope you didn't get hit by one of the tornadoes that appeared. If you did, I hope you're recovering fine. Say appeared like tornadoes just spawned like wild Pokemon. Now we have to be more cautious as we move. Oh wait, we already killed everything. We can move on. Glitches. You want to get bomb upgrades, I do my best not to do corner myself. At least that's how I was doing while I was testing this, to try to get it working well. Because as you can see, Bomberman doesn't like to move. None of the stuff likes to move in this game. Move. And also sometimes stuff like that happens where he just keeps running. Finally got one of those two out of the way. Do I regret adding these mobile games? Yes, I do. But at the same time, I found I could run them, so... And I managed to find every single one and get every single one running. I may have 2 bombs now, but I'm terrified to use both. Alright, now we just gotta find the exit. Oh, hey, look, the exit. Sure. I bumped into the block next to it, but whatever. Oh. Look, there's the exit. Oh, hey, look, that worked out. Go. I'm not worried about getting upgrades on this game, because once we're at 2, that's plenty. Because, well, as you can see, again, it does not run well. I was going to die there for a second. Don't worry, this is actually the worst running of the different mobile games. Not the worst sounding, though. Good God, you are not ready for the worst sounding. That's the last one on the list for today, which is Super Bomberman. Uh-oh. Yeah, phones were never really meant for gaming in this era, but they still tried. I don't think this game costs more than $2. What? Oh, we got our first game over.
Nothing can save you.
Now, as you can see, game overs don't reset you in this one, so that's why I'm not worried about picking up new power-ups. Gotcha. The next one on the list after we beat this one is for the N-Gauge, which For some reason, Wikipedia says it's a port of Bomberman 1. It is not. I'm gonna have to mute for a moment, though. There is a train coming. Alright, the train has passed. Alright. Bomb delay. It wasn't taking my input. That's why I'm not worried about upgrading my bombs too much, just because of stuff like that. Well, we know where the exit is now. Ooh, extra life. Move. Yay! We now made it through the first sixth of the game. Move. Game. Like I said, the inputs in this are not great. Let's just start going down. I didn't tell you go down there. Whatever. Come on. Gotcha. Now we just gotta find the exit. Exit. Alright.
Nothing can save you.
So yeah, one of the issues with this one is you can place a bomb while still loading, which means you're almost guaranteed an instant death. I don't completely blame them for this being not good. I mean, they were working off much more limited stuff than they were used to anymore at that point when they made this. Why'd you go left? I pushed right. Just prove my point with game. What the hell was going on there? Oh. Didn't have a choice there. I was do it the other way. Yeah, this is one of those games that you only play for the history of it. You don't play for because you love it, you know? Nobody has nostalgia for this one. Wait, remote bombs exist? How does that work? Oh, sweet. That just made my life a heck of a lot easier, other than the input issues of not being able to move easily. But I'll take remote bombs. It makes it easier to kill these things anyway. The remote bombs, I'm not afraid of putting down multiple bombs, too. Also, time for a quick test. Nope, I know I have bomb lock. Oh well. Ooh. So we're looking at maybe an hour of gameplay of this one. Come on down. Gotcha. Oh, thank goodness there's no bonus rounds. And life just got made even easier in this. And we just lost remote bombs.
Nothing can save you.
Oops. It ate my inputs again. I couldn't move. Yeah, I
Nothing can
can't say how
save you.
badly done this is. And this is official. That one's just bullshit. I seriously cannot describe how bad this feels at times. When you saw me go around that corner back there, I didn't push down at all. I just pushed up and over. It went down on its own. It's like it's taking a phantom input from somewhere I don't know where. Starting this is set up to only take input from my keyboard. And also, all my controllers are disconnected right now anyway. There it was again. It just tried going down. I didn't push down there. There's the exit. Alright, we're halfway through. I mean, remote bombs, I can start moving quickly again, but shit like that happens. Whoa. More broken sprites. Hooray, everybody's favorite. Well, we got Bomb Walk again. Oh. There we go. Probably shouldn't be putting down 1-1 bomb without remote bombs in this game. Dang, bomb delays. It's my genuine hope that one day all these old games that run on systems that aren't very well emulated can get decomps that can make them playable on PC easier. Especially these Java ones. It shouldn't be that difficult for the Java ones, right? It's Java. Yay, no more walking through blocks of enemies. I feel in the last enemy in the game is going to be the coins, though, which do go through blocks again. 6? How high does this one go? Also, where the hell are remote bombs when I want them? Barry looks different in this one. Not a fan of the Barry design in this. Anyways, gotta find the exit. Game. God. The broken inputs, I fucking
Nothing
swear.
can save you.
Okay, we're almost done with this one. We only got 12 more rounds to go. Why did I stand there? I know it's too late and was trying to move out of the way, but I knew it was too late. Fucking with the delayed bombs. At least I got them, but like. Let me move. Outside waiting for bombs going off, if you don't see me moving, it's because the game is not accepting my inputs again. I intend to decompile the jar for this and see what the hell is going on, but I am not much of a Java coder. Go! My fucking... You know, every single time I get stuck when when the next level loads up, I'm immediately moving in the direction I was trying to tell it to go. I claim no blame on that death. That was a delayed bomb
Nothing can save
again.
you.
I knew I was gonna be in hell for this one, but like, come on. Come on, game. Put down the damn bomb. Didn't put it down when I told it to, so I knew it was gonna be another delayed bomb, but that's what I was trying to stop so I could put down the bomb. Alright. Now I just gotta find the exit. Yeah, if you weren't sure, seriously, do not play this one. Like, I have no idea if it runs this badly on actual hardware, but problem is finding a Nokia phone that this is compatible with, and finding a way to load it onto there since, you know, they don't work anymore. You can't just download these anymore onto the phones. Well, I might be able to create an FTP server for it temporarily and have it connected to that. The problem is getting data on the thing to be able to connect, because they don't connect to the Wi-Fi. Run! Well, now we know where the exit is. How'd I get stuck on the corner? Like, it showed me moving, but it wasn't showing me moving. Well, I'm dead.
Nothing can save you.
I'm taking a mental health break after this one's beat, just to, well, I also get everything set up, you know, just to reset before I play the next one. Because, you know, this isn't good. And it's got me not happy. I know this is going to happen, though. Which is why I started early, so that I could take mental health breaks between the bad ones, so that... My friend! These are my friends. See how they glisten. No, you watch too many musicals. Exit. Go through the... 10 rounds. Just 10 more rounds. Extra life. I love getting double kills. They're gonna go up soon, so go up. Thank you. Going on ready. Not getting stupid enough to put a bomb right there when I can barely move right here. How did I get partially outside the map? Whatever. Damn delayed bombs. Come on all the way up. You know you want to. Thank you. Move. Gonna sit here and wait a moment. It's definitely queuing up the inputs, but it's not taking them sometimes when it does this. Alright. Round 22 ready. Bomberman, move, or I'm telling you to. Just come on up here, I know you're going to. Okay, so 6 is the max. I'm terrified to set off 6. There's the exit. 7 rounds left. Am I right about being the coins? No, it's the hot dogs. I think they're supposed to be ghosts, but they always look like little octopus hot dogs to me. Game, why'd you start moving back right when I pushed the bomb button? That scared the shit out of me. Aha. Alright, now we just gotta find the exit. Alright. It's almost over. We're almost done with this one. And this is the worst controlling one out of the ones I've tested. Oh, we're back to no remote bombs. Since we like that for the rest of the game, unless we get really lucky and there's one more. All because the game delayed my inputs again. Uh-oh. Oh, thank goodness. I want to get 2 for 1 though. I remember when I was a kid, I had one of my friends had a flip phone, and I thought it was so cool you could just download games onto it. These mostly have not aged well. Do I even need block walk, really? This game feels more like a detriment than a help. Especially when we're on stages with enemies that move through blocks. Alright. 4 rounds left. Apparently I'm immune to my own bombs on the side of the wall in this one. Game, put down the damn delayed bomb. Or did you try putting down the block like an idiot? Or is this game like NES where you're just immune to your own explosions when you have block block? Or is it bomb walk that made you immune? Either way. Yeah. I only know how many rounds there are because I looked ahead on the single long playlist I could find. We are finishing with the coins though. And just like everything else in this version, game, hey, they have no actual AI. They just move around randomly. Which I'll take over them homing in on your every move. Wait, no, these aren't the coins, these are the faces. Because imagine an enemy that homes in on you constantly in this crappy game. Not a good idea. Okay, there were 2 of you. I was like, is it weird rendering or... Alright. There's the exit. I'm just gonna blow up a few blocks, see if I can find out what the item of this stage is. Game. Thank you. It's actual life. If I could move, that'd be nice. Round 28. Like, this is the closest thing outside the PlayStation game that I would consider a port of Bomberman 1 for the NES. And then it is not a one-to-one port in even the slightest sense. The Game Boy Mode B is more of a one-to-one port than this is for Atomic Punk. And even that's not a one-to-one port. Oh, that's death. That's my fault. I'm the one to put the second bomb down. I actually got cold enough in here that my heater kicked on this morning. I had to turn it all the way down to 40 to keep from doing it again because I don't want the heat running in summer. It was set to it was set to just below 70, so it got down below that. I tend to turn it down in summer anyway. I just forgot to this year, or I did, and someone else turned it back up for some reason. Either way. Y'all can tell this is absolutely my #1 Bomberman game, isn't it? Can't you? Okay. We'll take it. Skadoosh. Ooh. Are you fucking serious? The inputs died on me again.
Nothing can save you.
I guess we know where the exit is this time. What?
Nothing can save you.
This game is pain. It's eating my inputs like crazy now. It's like they don't want me beating it.
Nothing can save you.
And there's RNG like that. That's absolute bullshit. The enemy's spawning right on top of you, pretty much. Why aren't you placing a bomb? Push the button 8 times. No, seriously, it's not placing bombs anymore. And now I'm dead.
Nothing can save you.
Oh, that's why. I apparently got caps lock turned on at some point. Which messes with the inputs, my custom inputs I set up. Because the simulator also apparently doesn't account for it's still that button just capitalized. I swear to Christ. Well, that's just death right there.
Nothing can save you.
You know, just to try to prevent more weird input stuff, I turned num lock off. Oh, nope, apparently that still accepts inputs. Just not in my, on my character. Because those are all set to the numlock keys. Numpad 1 through 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are all the changes for my character. In fact, I think it's... There it is. Because I'm mad. Because this game sucks ass. And it's once again not letting me move. Now it's just moving constantly on its own. The input buffer is definitely broken in this game. And it wasn't letting me move up. I swear, they actually made it to where you can't beat this game, or they don't want you beating this game, by the input buffer being broken as hell. You could have just stuck with the console games, nobody would have blamed you. Yeah, but I wanted to. And while I regret it, you know. Finally done with stage 28. Get out of the way. Another fucking delayed bomb. I know part of this is the emulator, because I'm pretty sure the game on the original hardware isn't so broken you go out bound sometimes. It's possible it is. Don't know how I lived there, but one left, and then it's finding the exit. Damn delayed bombs. Because I picked up that power up at the right time, though. It didn't change the music. Only because I was already right there. Final stage. Let's do this. Taking all that so I get game over, or will I finish it this try? Basically, will it eat my inputs and kill me, or will I win? I'll certainly try to eat my inputs there. Alright. Can I find the exit without dying? Nope.
Nothing can save you.
Ate my inputs at the very last second. Well, now we know where the exit is. Just hopefully kill these guys without dying. Ooh. Why did you start going left there? Or right, whatever. Directions are hard. Anything? No. How anticlimactic. Nobody was shocked by this. All right. We're going to take a short break while I cool back off, and we'll go into the next one. I'll also get stream tile and everything updated. Be right back.